Hey y'all, today I have an exciting video for you guys. We were sponsored by Madam Glam. Madam Glam is a cruelty-free vegan gel polish company. And they have sponsored me with a variety of colors to come and share with you guys. Now, if you are one of the ones that does not go to the nail shops, and you like to polish your nails yourself because you basic, you simple, you don't want to go and spend all the extras on in a shop when you know that you could do it yourself, and you are a fanatic for nail polishes or gel polishes, then this is the place for you. I have a 50% off coupon code for you. You go over and you search their site. You will follow the link that's in my description. And also don't forget to copy that coupon code, which will give you 50% off of your purchase. Find some cute little stuff that you like, some polishes. I'm quite sure that you're going to find it because they have tons of gel polishes over there that you will like. Before you do that, I want to show you what I got. I tried to pick some of the cutest colors, the brightest colors to come and show you guys. So I will also be doing a little look with my nails to show y'all what I come up with. I don't know, I got something in mind, but really not too much in mind. But I got something in mind to do with these colors that I got, and I hope that y'all like it. So let's get into the box. Alrighty, y'all. So here's the box right here. I have already opened it by Madam Glam, New York. Everything you love at your fingertips. Whatever VIP wants, a VIP gets 50% off. So when you open the box, you see the packaging is really nice. You don't have to worry about anything getting broken or anything like that because they have foam in the box to protect your polishes. And here we have a little card. It says, Madam Glam, New York. Hello, Glamorous. Welcome to our influencer community. It's our pleasure to have you join the nail team. We believe that when talent meets amazing products, magic happens. Madam Glam was founded with a rebellious mind and a lofty objective to create salon quality, carefully sourced nail and gel polishes. We decided to bring together the community of passionate nail specialists to build a one-stop shop for all things nails. Okay, so Madam Glam is a vegan company. They do not use any animal derived ingredients. 21 free formula, free from 21 most toxic chemicals found in nail polishes, and they do not test on animals. And yeah, so that's the products that they have, produced with respect for the environment. All right. The polishes that I chose, it comes with a Madam Glam top coat. I chose this beautiful pink About You gel polish. And this beautiful blue. This blue is called Matty. And they have the sample color on the top so you can see, what you have. I like that. And then also this other color here, which is like a baby blue, and it's called Besame. And one more. This is the base coat. This is the base gel coat. So along with this, I have a UV lamp. Now this lamp, it's perfect, because it's small, compact in size. You can carry it with you. Okay, so it's perfect and compact. You can use it on the go if you're away from home. Perfect little thing. And it just has the power button on the top. It comes with a charging cord. And it is a 36 watt UV LED lamp. So yeah, a little mini lamp. So we're going to get into the styling of my nails and stuff like that. So because I'm excited about using these colors. They're so cute. So yeah, y'all, let's get into it. Alrighty, y'all. So I wear acrylic nails, and the shape that I'm working with is coffin, and I love my nails long. But I'm about to do myself a fill-in, and then we will get into designing my nails. Alrighty, y'all. So I have just laid my acrylic backfilled my nails. Doing pretty good, getting better and better. Both ends. So now it's time to shape them. Alrighty, y'all. So I have did my fill, reshaped, and everything. So now it's time to polish. I'm gonna see what Madam Glam is working with. So I'm gonna be using all the colors. All the colors. The blue, and I think I may add like a white to it, but I'm going to be using all the colors. Okay, so I have laid out all the colors that I'm going to use, which is all the polishes that they sent me, and then I added a white to it. And I have used the base coat to polish my nails, and I cured for a minute. I did it for 30 seconds, but I put in for another 30 seconds just to be sure that, you know, it was all the way cured. So I'm going to start with some ink dots, just some dots. And then I'm going with some blue dots, light blue dots. And some dark blue dots. Let's see if we can go back and add some white. Help enhance it a little bit more. I want to thank you, Madam Glam, for sponsoring my video. I love my nails, and the polish is amazing. It really only takes one coat to get the color that is in the bottle. Like, it's really, really pigmented. And also, the top coat is my favorite. The top coat is glassy looking, and it only took one coat for the top coat. I'm loving your products, Madam Glam. Thank you for sponsoring me. Y'all don't forget to use my coupon code, my coupon code TIANA35 to get your 50% off discount on your purchase.